Hey guys, so as you saw in the last video, I got my gauge faces updated in my instrument cluster, and just to put the icing on the cake, the cherry on top, the finishing touch to my interior is the custom steering wheel from Aza. So they killed it with this wheel. Let me show you a better angle of this. So basically, as you can see, they put the M badge. It's an M Sport wheel with the flat bottom. It's OEM. It has the red pinstripe. It's all in Alcantara, and this is just gonna make the driving experience insane. I also got an M button to replace on top of that diamond button thing. I know I don't have an M car, but like it's red, and I have a lot of red accents on this car, and I believe it will match up really well. So let me get started on that. Before you get started with this, make sure to just disconnect your battery, because you're going to be dealing with the airbag, and if a fuse blows, your face is going to blow. So disconnect the negative terminal and then we can get started. So as you can see, I'm showing the right side of the steering wheel. So this is the they're going to be parallel to each other on the 4 and 8 o'clock positions of the steering wheel. And there's this little slot here where you can stick a flathead screwdriver in, and you basically release the airbag from the steering wheel, and then you can loosen it and remove it. So I'm gonna put a time lapse for you because it's supposedly very tedious to do. So let's see how fast I can do this. Guys, I have legit been sitting in here for like, I'm not even playing with you, probably like 45 minutes. But I finally got it off. I'm so happy. I was literally just like blindly doing it because there's no way for you to see. The only, like, you just have to keep going at it until you feel something and then you pull. But the reason I was referencing this is because so basically there's this pin here that you push towards the center of the wheel for it to release, right? So I was doing that on my wheel, but my wheel is non-M Sport. So I did some research, and for the non-M Sport ones, you push towards the opposite, so not towards the center. Anyways, as you saw in the last clip, I got the airbag out. So I disconnected the airbag plug, and then there's also one more cable. I think this is the powering the buttons. So I just have to unplug that cable and then loosen this bolt. I'll figure out the size of it soon, but the torque specs for this is 46 foot-pounds or 63 Newton meters. I'll correct that measurement if I'm wrong in the description, but I believe that's what they are. So I'm just gonna put you guys down, and then I'm going to uninstall this wheel and then install the new Aza custom steering wheel. And I also installed the M button off camera because I was kind of annoyed with this cluster, so I just started decided to do that and I forgot to record it. But yeah, this is going to look amazing and it's really going to clean up this interior. But yeah, let me get started on that. Alright, just so I don't get bashed, like I have my torque wrench right here. I'm going to set it to 46 foot-pounds. As you can see, it's at 46 foot-pounds. And now I'm going to tighten the steering wheel bolt back into it. Guys, this this cockpit is insane. Oh my goodness. Guys, this looks amazing. I actually cannot get over this. This makes me feel like I'm driving a race car. Let me plug in the battery, see if everything works properly. Fingers crossed, because taking this off again is going to be a pain. It's going to be very, very nice. So fingers crossed, hopefully everything works out just fine. Give me 1 second. Please pray for me. This is going to be my first startup, and I really hope this doesn't blow up in my face. I'm really scared, but alright, so the horn works just fine. Let me go there. Alright, the radio button works fine. Oh, that's what this does. Okay, I see. Alright. Okay, yeah, everything works just fine. Thank God. But for some reason I still have an airbag light. Let me see if I can code this out. Yeah, everything works. Alright guys, so thankfully I had Carly here. I wish this was sponsored, but honestly, this is one of the best things ever if you have a newer BMW. And when I say newer, I mean like the E90 and up generations, because everything is codable and it basically just runs on a computer. But yeah, I just reset the airbag light, and then when I turned it on again, it went away. But guys, look at this cockpit. I got the boost gauge over here, the custom gauges. I'm gonna change that. I don't really like the carbon fiber ring around the start button, but like, guys, this is insane. I feel like I'm driving a race car. Now the only thing left to do is make this car a Lambo killer, you know, 600 horsepower, easy dub. But yeah, one step at a time. That's my video for today, guys. Maybe I'm gonna insert a POV of what it looks like with the wheel now. But I'm really excited with this mod. It's probably one of the, this is a point of contact mod, and I feel like it's so worth it. And plus, looking at that now, it just makes me feel, it's just so sick. Thanks for watching, guys. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I have a lot of videos planned, so stay tuned for that. Please give me a like, subscribe, share this with people you think would be interested in, and see you guys next time. Peace out.